I'm so cozy.
That's my heart. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa. This ain't what you want. Project. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Shake it, shake it.
Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob is hard, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob is hard, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Baby, I watch how I move. Bitches, they see me, don't know what to do. Like, daddy, I get in my mood. Nigga, munchie, he eat me like food. Damn, he eating it up. Kitty on water, he beating it up. On fire, heating it up. Bitches be dirty, I'm cleaning them up. Give me a tissue. Why would I miss you when you was the issue? Don't wear the shoe if the shoe doesn't fit you. Only around me when it's beneficial. Stop texting my phone. Nigga be feeding like leave me alone. Damn. Back in my zone. Don't want the feelings, I just want the dough. Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob is hard, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small, they got bigger. You did me wrong, what I do? Acting a smoochie when I'm off the liquor. Showing my thumb, going cool. Throwing it back and I watch him get bigger. Throwing it back, put it right in his face. He like how it tastes. He grabbing my waist. Got him itching to stay. He the bank and I'm making him chase. I'm a baddie, I'm having my way. Nigga a munchie so he cannot date. He a eater, I make sure he ate. No, you cannot have your boo back. If I'm shooting my shot, he gon' shoot back. I'm on his head like a do-rag. Shitting on bitches, I do that. Shitting on bitches, my hobby. Body too crazy, they all in my body. Like, all my body, like, all of my body. Daddy, he making me thicker. Rob is hard, bitch is a sticker. I can't be falling in love with a nigga. Pockets were small, they got big.
Okay, y'all, so this how it looks wet, and the curls look so bomb. So yeah, this is how it's looking. It's so full, 22 inches, and it's really cute. Like, do you see how thick it is? And like, y'all, I did it different, and like, it's really giving scalp. But yeah, this is how the hair is looking. I might add an extra, you know, edge right there, you never know. But this is really giving. So yeah, this is how it looks wet. I'm really loving it. And yeah, I actually liked it better when it was poofy, but the wet is still like, the curls are still like, you know, giving. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I just want to say thank you so much, Westkiss, for sending me this unit. It's so cute and bomb, and I really love it. Like, do y'all see these curls? Like, it's so beautiful and long, and it's only 22 inches. And y'all see it stops like right here, and it looks really nice. I really like working with the lace. Like, the transparent lace is really giving transparent, like, but the hair is so full, super duper soft. It was a little shedding, but it wasn't like, you know, a lot. It was just, you know, normal hair shedding. But yeah, I think it's really cute. It was easy to work with. Didn't have to do too much. I did not even pluck or bleach this. So like, for it to give like this and I didn't have to pluck a bleach, it really gave what it had to do. But yeah, I just want to say thank you, Westkiss Hair, for sending me this unit because it's really cute. And yeah, I think it's like one of the best curly hairs because it's like, I really love me curly hair, and like this is really, you know, it's really the curls. Like, do y'all see that? I'm gonna just get up close. Like, can y'all see the curls? Like, they're so shiny. Everything will be in the description box below, so go check it out if you're interested. And I really recommend it because, y'all, like, look at it. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or have any critiques or anything, you know, we're all here to help each other out. So make sure you comment them down below. I'm gonna try to answer them all, but if I don't know, maybe somebody else will answer it. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Again, thank you for sending me this hair because y'all see it. Like, don't play. But yeah, till then, bye y'all.